one of the features of the project here are the ancient adits. Not only is it a testament to the quality of the mineralization and the extensiveness, also gives us a unique opportunity to look at the mineralization from underground. Here we are exploring an adit on the north side of the hill. It's one of many adits on the property.
Yeah, you should get a decent reading.
So far, drilling hasn't targeted the structures that were being mined from the adits. The adits no doubt date back to the original mining over 600 years ago.
It's a bit skinny all though.
But most have been reworked by artisanal miners more recently in there for azurite.
Azurite crystals.
Yeah. A copper sulfate crystal.